Yo, what up? What up? We are back. We are back. Whew, Tuesday. Um, man, so the JPY did some movements today. Wasn't even paying attention on what news happened, but we got some strong movements on the yen today. Let me see what happened. Having a great week so far. So, what happened today? It seemed like it was just the yen pairs that dropped. I don't know. It must have been something for the economy or something. I don't know. I wasn't paying any attention, to be honest with y'all, but we do have rate tonight for NZD. Um, and I am looking to trade NZD CAD to the downside. So I'll be showing y'all that. Which tonight, more than likely, rate will end up either spiking it up and then dropping it, or it'll just drop it. So, other than that, man, we have NFP this Friday. So, NFP Friday, and then I would say rate tonight, and that's pretty much looks like it for the week. So, unemployment for CAD on Friday as well. Cool, cool. Okay, man. So far this week we've been looking pretty good. Um, as far as for the setups, so the directional biases that I've been giving y'all. As far as yesterday, I gave y'all. What did I give y'all yesterday, man? No, I showed y'all USD cash. Let's start with what I gave y'all yesterday. We'll go through the updates first. So I know. So I know I gave y'all USD CAD. We were looking for a little bit more of a continuation up, and then this area potentially for our reaction zone. So if y'all sold somewhere in this area, you should be in profit. If it does continue to hold this area, we're looking at a retracement somewhere around here or somewhere around here. One of these two areas, and then I would expect a continuation of push back towards the upside. So y'all just be mindful of that. In return, we might see the dollar give a pullback here as well. And then a continuation, I don't expect the pullback to be long on the dollar, so I would expect something like this. Next target for the dollar is going to be 109.5. 1 to 107.5 is broken. So we would see something like this potentially, and then that continuation up into 109.5. So once this 107, basically 107.5 is broken, then we should extend all the way up until 109, 110 area. I'm sorry, 109, 110 area. So that's what I'm seeing on what's the bias for tomorrow. On which pair? The bias for which pair? This is what I'm seeing on the dollar, y'all. So further continuation up. We could go for a pullback, as I just illustrated for y'all, or we could just be going in a sideways period, something like that, and then for that further continuation up. So that's possible as well for us to just kind of flag and then go up as well. Although we do look like we've reached the resistance and we're sort of making somewhat of a double top. So let's see. We could be forming a double top here for that pullback down. So that's an option. So that's a DXY update for y'all. We just went over USD CAD, so y'all have that update. So far USD CAD looking good. DXY steady pushing up as we've been noticing. So there's two options previously. We were looking at the price action to either respect this range and drop, or we're going to break and continue up. So we ended up breaking and continuing up. So good eyes on DXY. Next thing we are looking at, I showed y'all yesterday, is your GBP. So nice. I personally did not enter this one. I left it alone. But if y'all caught this, cheers. TP1 has hit. So cheers, man. I gave y'all, I think, 2 trades so far this week, 2 or 3. The first trade I gave y'all was USD CHF buy. So that was like Monday or Sunday. I gave y'all that on the stream. Both TPs hit, pretty much done. I also posted that in the chat room. So if y'all are new to the streams, make sure y'all are in the chat room. The link to the chat room is down below, as well as our website, our email, the broker that I use, our YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. And I think y'all are actually 5 members away in the chat room from the Bitcoin giveaway. So I'll be giving away some Bitcoin in the chat room to anybody in the chat room. So everybody in there has a chance to win it. And I think y'all are about 5 people away. So next 5 members that join, we'll start that giveaway for y'all. So that's there for y'all as well. Again, it's a free chat room. Link is down below on your screen. All right, bro. I'll check out our USD. I don't really look at the German 30, but I'll check out our USD. Euro GBP looking good, man. It should continue down. This area has held. You can go ahead and move your stop loss to entry if you did take this trade. And just kind of hold for the continuation down. I personally would close fully out at around 86. 400, that's personally where my final TP was, because we could, if you don't know what you're doing, that's why I say close out, if you don't know what you're doing, because we could end up double bottoming and then hit it back up for the further continuation of the uptrend, as y'all can see from here. So that's always an option, but we would have to get there first. So as of right now, we're in a corrective structure. So we are looking more so impulse, correction, impulse. If you guys are interested to learn how I trade, the information to our website is down below. You guys can check out everything we offer for y'all in the mentoring package on my website. So the link is down below. Cool. So new trade for y'all. NZD CAD. This trade is now active. I have already given this to the premium signal team. We are in this sell. There are 2 areas of entry that we could possibly see price action reacting. The first one is here if it just wants to give that straight drop. Again, we have news tonight. Or news would end up spiking this towards the upside into this range, and then we drop. Either or, price action should respect around the 81,300 area, so it should not break above that level. So we should be good to go as long as we stay below that level. So this is one of those trades I'm just going to enter. Just kind of let it run, do its thing. It does have a little wiggle room to play, but overall, I'm just going to let it run and do its thing. So again, NZD CAD is now active, and you guys can take this trade. Gold. So gold, we were looking for price action around this level to continue down into our range and head back up. It literally pinpointed to the area of support that it had marked up, and it has bounced up so far 155 pips, 170 pips. And right now it is currently floating 75 pips from the original support area. So we could be seeing gold head to the upside, like I told y'all before. This is over 1,000 pips trade towards the upside. So it's a very big trade. Just give a wiggle room. I wanted to hold the area that it's at right now and kind of pop towards the upside. I really don't want it to actually break this low. If it does break this low, it can still go up. It just might go a little bit further down. So I'd rather exit the trade and then find the new entry and then, take that trade. But for now, we could see 1,000 pip move off of this support. What's up, Casey? Odd USD. So AU, bias for AU. Let me see. What is AU doing? I clear that up, and you can see it a lot clearer now. So trend break. I'll count this as 1, 2. Makes sense. Makes sense. Makes sense. Makes sense. ABC, impulse up, take high liquidity sweep. Now we are here. Cool. This is my favorite pair, by the way. So further downside, but we are looking at targeting. Trying to find the floor. Literally trying to find the floor. So here's one floor. I would look for further downside. A quick trade that you could probably grab. So I'm seeing further downside, but at least so first things first, it would need to take the low um, of this daily low is what I'm seeing. So of yesterday's daily low, so at least a push down, but hopefully you get your pullback up first. So if you get the pullback up first, then you would at least be able to target the low. So you would look at something like this. So the low would be first, but more than likely it would end up down here before maybe doing something different. So on a daily perspective, that would end up leading us into like today's candle. So potentially today's candle could wick and take the low and then continue back up bullish. So we could end up seeing something structurally like this. All right. So at least for one more push down and then that move up. So that's possible. Or if it is to break this level here, then I would expect it to actually roll over to around that 61,800 level. But for now, I would probably just look to take this intraday perspective. So following the dollar on this one also. So on that pullback that the dollar makes, and then the continuation for the upside. So as the dollar pulls back, and then that continuation upside, this is probably going to more than likely heavily influence USD, at least for this week, especially NFP coming Friday. But I expect this to continue bearish. So I would only look for sales on this. So that's what I'm saying on AU. I don't really check out the G30, bro. So I don't want to give you, complete incorrect bias because I literally, I don't think I've ever looked at the German 30 ever in life. So that one is out of my list. Anything on this list, I'm willing to check out for y'all though. So that's all I really have for now, y'all. So again, I am active in NZD That is the next trade that I'm in. Other than that, I don't really have anything else as of right now. USD CAD is also a potential opportunity for y'all as well. So both of these CAD pairs might end up, getting some influence towards the downside. Again, if y'all are new to the streams, make sure y'all are following us. Link to the stream is down below. Link to our website is down below. Link to the free Telegram chat room is down below. Link to our email is down below. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email or you can shoot me a message on TradingView. The broker that I use is down below, as well as our YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. So that's all I have for y'all right now, man. Make sure y'all are following us on TradingView. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. I'll shoot y'all some updates on NZD CAD as it moves down in the Telegram chat room. So that's all, y'all. Peace out.